Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to clear File Explorer in Windows 11. Click on Windows Explorer present on taskbar. Click on See More or three dots present at the top of the screen. Click on Options. In the General tab, click on Clear, present in front of Clear File Explorer History. Click on OK. Now, your File Explorer history got cleared. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.